Steve, good evening. The defense called 3 witnesses here at court today as it worked to pick holes in the plaintiff's case.
The case record is that Barbara Devana met the standard care in terms of her oversight and contact with Kristy.
Defense witness Matthew Medeiros, a licensed clinical social worker, testified he reviewed hundreds of pages of records in the case. He told jurors the information available to social workers in the early 90s was different than it is today.
The information available in that time period was different than what's available today. And so, for example, I was talking about that they did not have the same understanding of trauma. They did not have the same level of training at that time.
Plaintiff Kristy Gesse claims the state failed to protect her from sexual abuse while she was in state custody at a private group home, and it has greatly impacted her mental health.
I'm saying that it is but one of many, many factors that collectively have influenced her outcome.
Earlier, defense expert Dr. Harrison Pope testified that a number of factors contributed to Gesse's mental health struggles and not just one event. Gesse's attorneys pushed back, questioning his work as a paid defense expert and his assessment of the abuse alleged in the case.
Is it fair to say that you've gotten a reputation as an expert who will testify for defendants charged with allowing or failing to prevent sexual abuse of kids in their care?
No.
The defense is expected to rest its case tomorrow, and closing arguments, those could start on Monday. Reporting live in Concord tonight, I'm Mike Moses, WMUR News 9.